All right, today you guys are going to be working on a surface area of cylinders. So first things first, get your journal set up just like we've been doing with your 9 squares. Get your calculator ready. First things, you're going to do lateral surface area. So start with your formula. S equals 2 pi r h. S equals 2 times pi times the radius times the height. So then you're going to look at your picture. That given information is a diameter because it goes all the way across. So if the diameter is 4 inches, that means the radius is half of that, so 2, and the height is 7. So I use that information to use my formula. 2 times pi times the radius times the height. So when I put that in my calculator, I'm going to go 2, second up arrow, that's pi, times the radius times the height. Enter. So my answer is 87.9645943, blah, blah, blah. So that shows me that that's an irrational number that just keeps going. So my answer, I'm going to estimate 87.964 ... to show that the number just keeps going. And then that is inches squared. So that would be your final answer. On to the next one. Start with your formula, 2 pi r h. The picture is giving me the radius of 10 and the height is 13, and that's all the information I need for the formula. 2 pi times the radius, which is 10, times the height, which is 13. So again, in your calculators, 2, second up arrow, that's pi, times the radius of 10 times the height. So 816.8140899. So I'm going to estimate 816.814 ... feet squared. Last one for lateral surface area. So if I'm looking at my picture, it's going halfway across, which means the radius is that number, which is 6, and then the height is 12. Write my formula. S equals 2 pi r h. So 2 times pi times the radius times the height. Again, on my calculator, 2 pi times 6 times 12. So I write my answer, 452.389 ... yards squared. Okay, so that's it for lateral surface area. Then you're going to switch over. After you're done with lateral, you're going to switch over to total surface area. Again, start with your formula. S equals 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. So you've already done the lateral part. You can take that from your answer. That was 87.964 plus, we're going to do 2 times pi times the radius times the height. So again, on this one, they're giving me a diameter of 4, which means the radius is half of that, and the height is 7. So here, let me move that so you got more space. 87.964 was my lateral, plus 2 times pi times the radius squared. So in your calculator, 2 pi times the radius squared. So you can either hit the x squared button, or you can hit the up arrow to give you a blank exponent box, and then you can type in the 2. So 2 pi r squared equals 25.132, and I'm going to add that to 87.964. 87.964. Okay, and so my final answer will be somewhere around 113. If your decimals are a little bit off, that's okay. So we'll just go with 113.096 ... inches squared. Okay, next one. S equals 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. Lateral plus the 2 bases. So my lateral is 816.814 plus 2 times pi times the radius, which is half, so that's 10 squared. On your calculator, 2 pi radius squared. So this part of it, the two bases equals 628.318 ... right? And so I'm going to add that to 816.814. 816.814. So my total is 1,455.132 ... So I write that on here. 1445.132 ... feet squared. I think you get the idea.